The first one is hospital. 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 Okay, hospital. This is hospital. Can you say hospital? Very good. Next one we have school. 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 Okay, school. 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 Okay, very good. School. Next one we have temple. 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 And then we have bus station. Bus station. Can you say bus station? Bus station. BUSSTATION. Bus station. Okay? BUSSTATION. Bus station. Bus station. Good job. Okay, can you say that on your own? Okay, very good. And next one we have zoo. 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 Safari World is a zoo, right? Safari World is a zoo. Zoo. No. Zoo. 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 Okay, or set. COO. I say ZOO. 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 Okay, so you know what is a zoo. And next one we have park. 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 Like King's Park. Queen's Park. Okay, park. 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 Good job. And the next one we have cinema. 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 Okay, next one we have beach. Let's go to the beach. Beach. Okay, beach. 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 Next one we have bank. 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 And next one we have market. 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 Can you say that? MARKET. 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 Okay, very good. Next one we have supermarket. 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 SUPER. SUPERMARKET. 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 Okay, good job. And then the last two more. Post office. Post office. POST. Post office. Post office. POSTOFFICE. Post office. Okay, post office. Post office. And the next one we have water park. Water park. Water park. Water park. WATERPARK. Water park. Water park. Good job. Water park. And next one we have mall. 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 Okay, I think that is all for the places. The vocabulary about places. The first one we learn about hospital. Say hospital. Hospital. School. Temple. Police station. Bus station. Park. Cinema. Beach. Bank. Market. Supermarket. water park, mall, zoo. Okay, so look at the videos that I'll be posting here and study it very well. Okay, so next one we will have the sentence structure. Okay, so our sentence structure about places is, what place is it? What place is it? It is a supermarket. Or you can say, it is a bank. Okay, what place is it? It is a bank. What place is it? It is a zoo. What place is it? What place is it? It is a cinema. It is a cinema. What place is it? It is a what? It is a hospital. Okay. What place is it? What place is it? It is a school. Where do you want to go? Okay. Is it a zoo? Yes, it is. Is it a supermarket? No, it isn't. Okay. Is it a bus station? Yes, it is. Is it a bus station? No, it isn't. It is a police station. Okay. So when teacher said, is it a supermarket? Yes, it is. Is it a cinema? Yes, it is. Is it a museum? No, it isn't. It is a park. No, it isn't. Okay, and the next one is, where do you like to go? Where do you like to go? I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the mall. Where do you like to go? I like to go to the zoo. I like to go to the zoo. Okay? Where do you like to go? What about you? Where do you like to go? I like to go to the school. Really? I like to go to the school. Okay? Where do you like to go? I like to go to the cinema. Where do you like to go? I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the supermarket. I like to go to the zoo. Okay? Where do you like to go? Where do you like to go? I like to go to the beach. Teacher wants to go to the beach. I like to go to the beach. I like to go to the beach. Do you like to go to the zoo? I don't like to go to the zoo. I'm afraid of lions. Oh, it's safe to go to the zoo. Where do you like to go? I like to go to the park. I like to go to the park. I like to go to the park. Okay, can you say that with me? I like to go to the park. I like to go to the zoo. I like to go to the beach. Okay? Don't forget about it. Where do you like to go? 1, 2, 3. Where do you like to go? I like to go to the zoo. Where do you like to go? I like to go to school. Where do you like to go? I like to go to the supermarket. Okay? Keep on practicing and don't forget, speaking English is fun. Bye!